wanted to thank you today para sa ating launch party kay Lola Camila. I know hindi tayo magkakasama ngayon pero your support means so much to us. Narinig lang yung sigawan niyo. For your support and your love for SB19 and for the whole Filipino community na talaga sumusuporta hindi lang po sa amin, pati na rin sa mga magiging future acts natin sa global stage. So again, thank you so much for supporting us and enjoy the show and please support all the performance today. Ayun, maraming salamat po. Enjoy, bye!
Hey team, it's your best people, best happy for all of you. Sana mag-enjoy kayo, you meet your friends, and that show's really for you, so dance the line, let's go! Alright, kailangan makakita. Hey team! For our Lollapalooza performance, hope you guys enjoy. Alam ko maaga, pero ayun, I'll see you guys there and don't miss it. Hello sa lahat ng team. Maraming salamat sa support. And of course, malapit din ang Lollapalooza namin. Ayun po yung iba sa inyo hindi nakapanalo in person dahil ako na nagkaroon time to watch it sa stream. And of course, sana mag-enjoy pa rin kayo. Ayun lang, ating din sa mga support. Tapos na, ano man, thank you so much.